Welcome back to Epic Animal Facts. Today, we're diving deep into one of the ocean's greatest mysteries, the bloop. It's not a creature, but it's certainly caused a splash in the world of marine biology. Let's explore. In 1997, deep in the remote Pacific Ocean, a sound echoed that puzzled scientists around the world. They called it the bloop. The bloop was unique, loud, ultra-low frequency, and unlike anything recorded before. It was detected by underwater microphones over 5,000 kilometers apart. Quickly, myths surfaced. Some imagined gigantic sea monsters, like the Kraken, lurking in the depths. Others thought of extraterrestrial communications. The bloop had the makings of a perfect marine mystery. Beyond the tales of sea monsters and alien signals, the imagination of the public ran wild. One theory suggested that the bloop was the sound of a massive underwater city or civilization, lost beneath the waves. Another posited that it was a secret underwater experiment conducted by the military, possibly related to submarine warfare. And some even speculated that it might be the sounds of a huge, previously undiscovered underwater volcano or geological event. But the truth, as revealed by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, was no less fascinating. The bloop wasn't a creature at all. Experts concluded that this mysterious sound was likely caused by an iceberg breaking off from the Antarctic ice shelf and its subsequent interactions with the water. The bloop reminds us of the vast unexplored mysteries of our oceans. While it wasn't the monster some hoped for, it was a stark reminder of nature's power and the secrets held beneath the waves. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the bloop. For more epic animal facts and mysteries of the natural world, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring.